everybody, welcome back. This year in September I'm going to don the dapper attire and I'm going to go in again and support the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. So I'll be riding basket case and we'll be done up to the nines in the Hobart ride. Now in 2016 I did that ride and I personally raised about $3,000 and was super proud of that. The motivation behind that was watching my father suffer with the devastation of the loss of his good friend Tom at the hands of prostate cancer. It was terrible and it really had an effect on the poor old man. And it's important that we, maintain awareness and keep raising funds to help with not only prostate cancer but men's health in general, and that's what the Movember Foundation does. So I'm putting the call out, guys and gals. If you can help sponsor myself and Sir Bastard Case, get onto the link that will be in the description and see if you can flick us $5, $2, $1, I don't care. Every bit helps, and the more people that get on board, the more money we raise, and the more goes to the Movember Foundation, and hopefully we can help people fight mental illness, men's health and prostate cancer. It's a very worthwhile cause. Women have to put up with uncomfortable and embarrassing doctor's appointments all of their adolescent and adult life through gynecologists and what have you. And there's a lot of focus on ovarian cancer and breast cancer and cervical cancer, and it's great, but women are very good at subjecting themselves to these regular tests. We're not. We all die of embarrassment. We won't go to the bloody doctor. I was talking to a lady at work the other day who knew a person who died from prostate cancer, and he didn't do anything about it until he could no longer piss. Now, he was sharing that with nobody, but the guy apparently wasn't married and didn't have a partner, so he didn't have someone in his ear nagging him to go to the doctor. And so you need to listen to your own little voice. Now, for the better part of our life, guys, we get away with it. We don't have to have many uncomfortable conversations with the doctor. But when you sort of get up around my age, you need to start getting yourself checked, and it is something that isn't all that comfortable, but surprisingly, it's like, meh, what was I worried about? I've done it myself. I used to just get the PSA blood test, but once you sort of get to a certain age, that's not enough. You need to actually have them inspected and just check that the prostate isn't growing in size abnormally. So yeah, enough of all that mess. Get on board, come and help us. Let's get excited about putting on the suit and the pudding bowl helmet and going for a ride with the other cafe kids in classic motorcycle fraternity here in Hobart and all around the world, to support the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride and the Movember Foundation. So thanks for watching. I hope you can pledge. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.